Hey there, coin enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of numismatics. We'll be discussing the value and current rates of a particular coin, the 1-cent coin from the years 1980, 1974, 2014, and 2010. So, let's jump right into it. First up, we have the 1-cent coin from 1980. This particular coin, with its iconic Lincoln Memorial design, is highly sought after by collectors. Its current value depends on its condition and rarity. In average circulated condition, the 1981-cent coin can fetch around 5 to 10 cents. However, if you happen to find one in uncirculate condition or with any special minting errors, its value could soar even higher. Next in line is the 1-cent coin from 1974. This coin, commonly known as the Lincoln Memorial cent, is a true classic. Similar to the 1980 coin, its value varies depending on its condition. In circulated condition, the 1974 1-cent coin can range from 2 to 5 cents. But if you come across one in uncirculate condition, you might be looking at a value of around 10 to 25 cents. Remember, rare minting errors or variations can significantly increase the value as well. Moving forward, we have the 1-cent coin from 2014. This coin features Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Union Shield design on the reverse. While it's relatively newer compared to the previous two, it still holds some value. In circulated condition, the 2014 1-cent coin can be worth around its face value of 1 century. However, if you manage to find one in uncirculate condition or as a part of a special mint set, it might be valued slightly higher, ranging from 2 to 5 cents. Lastly, let's talk about the 1-cent coin from 2010. This coin shares the same design as the 2014 cent, featuring the Union Shield on the reverse. Like the 2014 cent, its value in circulated condition remains at its face value of 1 century. However, it's worth noting that the 2010 1-cent coin is quite common and is not generally sought after by collectors. Nevertheless, if you're interested in completing a full set of coins or are simply passionate about the history and design, it still holds some value for you. And there you have it, folks. A closer look at the value and current rates of the 1-cent coins from 1980, 1974, 2014, and 2010. Remember, the prices mentioned here are approximate and subject to change depending on market demand, rarity, and condition. So, if you happen to stumble upon any of these coins, make sure to consult a trusted coin dealer or numismatic expert for a more accurate assessment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more